How can endomorphs lose fat? Tips and tricks for endomorphs. Life is sometimes very tough, some have more luck than others. When you are an endomorph, then you obviously want to know how endomorphs lose fat. Maybe some of your friends who eat a lot of food and exercise very little can get away with it, but you certainly cannot. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. That is life, and you have to work a lot harder than others to lose fat, but it can be done. How can endomorphs lose fat? For endomorphs, a low protein and medium or low carb diet is the best choice. High carbohydrate and low fat diets are not very effective because endomorphs varying degrees of carbohydrate sensitivity and insulin resistance. Refined and processed carbohydrates that contain white flour and sugar have to be avoided because they convert to body fat very rapidly. Exercise is very important for this body type. Even if you have a perfect diet, then losing weight is still very hard. Endomorphs need a boost to their metabolisms that come with exercise. You have to do everything in your power to speed up your metabolism. Combining good nutrition with aerobic and weight training is crucial. If you have friends with a very small endomorph component, then you probably have noticed that they can stay lean with very little cardio. But typical endomorphs need a very large amount of cardio. Doing cardio 4 to 5 times a week is a must. Some even need to do cardio 7 times per week. So you really have to make the commitment to exercise your whole life. If you stop doing cardio exercises, then your fat will come back very quickly. Endomorphs usually tend to relax and not move around very much at all. So keep yourself in constant movement, and being active all the time will help you not to lose fat. A typical endomorph needs some kind of physical activity every day. Watch less TV, spend less time in front of the computer, and be active. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.